Welcome to in 5 minutes. Now I'll write a recursive function to find sum of n natural numbers. So it is basically a program to find sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to n, where n will be obviously input from user. Now this function has working similar to factorial of n. N factorial is supposed to be multiplication of 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to n, and this is going to be addition of 1 to n, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. Now again, as we discussed in case of factorial, we'll consider how we're going to work with this. See, sum of n numbers can be given like this. For example, sum of first 4 numbers will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, or other way we can write 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So it is nothing but 4 plus first 3 numbers, or you can say 4 plus sum of first 3 numbers. So for any given number, we can divide our function into two parts. It's like this. In general, we can say sum of first n numbers is equal to n plus sum of n minus 1 numbers. For example, sum of first 5 numbers will be 5 plus sum up to first 4 numbers. But that is applicable for n greater than 1, and it is equal to 1 if n itself is 1. So sum of first 1 number is 1. So if you are told find sum of first 5 numbers, you can say it is 5 plus sum of first 4 numbers, or find sum of first 10 numbers, it is 10 plus sum of first 9 numbers. But if you are told find sum of only one, the answer will be 1. So this is a fixed value, and this is going to be a recursive call. So that is how we are going to divide the function into two parts, and same way we'll be writing the function. So let's see how the function look like. We have defined a function with name sum, taking integer n as parameter. N is supposed to be a number up to which we want to find out sum, and it returns a sum, that is integer. Now exactly same way that we discussed in the previous screen, if n is 1, then return the answer as 1. So if n is 1, sum will be 1. Otherwise it is n plus sum of n minus 1 numbers. This will be obviously a recursive call, from where function will jump up and keep working multiple times. N will be having n variable to input the number up to which you want to find out sum. So we'll input n first. We have defined s to get the sum from the function. So we call the function sum in bracket n. So n will be passed to this n. Function will work recursively, generate some answer, and will be given to s, and that s will display as a sum of numbers. So how it's going to work? Let's see. As main will start working, take an example, suppose n equal to 4, then this statement will first call the function s equal to sum in bracket 4. Program will start working with the function. Function sum receives n as value 4 and checks for if false. So it goes for return. It's going to return the answer of 4 plus sum of 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now this is a recursive call which I'll write again. So function calls itself again, and this time sum starts working again. This is passed over, and n receives value 3, and function starts working again. Again n is 3, this is again false, so else part will work. It will look like return n is 3, so it is 3 plus sum of 2. Again function is called with value 2, so program jumps up, this time passing 2 over. Again function start working, receives n as 2. Again if condition is false, so else part works, says return 2 plus sum of 1. The function calls itself again, and n receives the value as 1. This time if is true, so from here return 1 will work, and that 1 will be given back to the previous function. So 2 plus 1 will be returned back from here to this, so this will be 3. Now this will return 3 plus 3 back to this as 6. Then this will return 4 plus 6 back to this as 10, which will be received in main as value 10, which is sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And after this, main will go ahead and print the sum. So it's working is almost similar to factorial function. In factorial, we return int factor in bracket integer n. If n is 1, return 1, else return n into factorial of n minus 1. Thank you.